mind asking?
He's disabled. Yeah, they had something went wrong, got birth.
You can focus on part of your life.
Yeah.
Make it the best possible.
They down there, they got the hospital.
Was the job able to back him up with anything?
Okay?
Was the job able to back him up with anything?
I'm not sure.
Them trucking companies, once you're in with them, they loyal as hell. They fuck.
Oh, yeah.
You saw it with a little bit, you was in there with them. So they're not going crazy.
Yeah, so they do some sucker stuff to you.
All right, now here goes the next stone we gotta lay. We gotta lay this one first, and then we can lay the other corner. This is the inside corner. I wonder why they call it an inside corner. Maybe because it's inside the corner. You know what I mean? I don't know. Alright, y'all, so the next one's gonna get laid. And by laid, I mean I'm gonna place it right there and I'll touch it there. Lightly butter it. Pretty close to where I want it to be at. I'm gonna leave it alone, let it set up, and then we're gonna backfill this. So right now, we're not touching it, we're not looking at it. Forget about it for right now. Hey, France, what's up? What's up? Felipe Hoffman, how you doing? Thank you for joining, man. Hello, beautiful France. Where's everybody else watching from?